Good afternoon, guys. How's everyone doing on this glorious day? It's a glorious day every day when you're drug free and when you're rolling right every day. I'm thankful for. Welcome to my channel, guys. Ballstall Boys Towers. I hope each and every single one of you are having a very good day and you're in the best of health. So what am I up to today? What's this video about? This video is about me making pie mash and liquor. Now, I was brought up on pie mash and liquor from Selkirk Road Tooting from the earliest age of probably 18 months old, and I still went back there right into my late 40s. But yeah, moved out of London, and I did try other pie and mash shops like the ones that deliver, but it never tasted the same as Selkirk Road Tooting. So I thought I'd have a go at making my own. So this is where we're at today, guys. I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you how you make pie and mash and liquor. So on the stove you have 500 mils of boiling water and one fish stock, which you can buy out of Waitrose. You can see that's boiling away, bubbling away. So that's the fish stock. Inside that fish stock you can use fresh parsley, but you've got to chop it up fine. Now, I've used it before, but today I'm using the parsley spice out of the jar. So yeah, you add your parsley to your fish stock, your boiling water, and there's corn flour here, and that is to thicken it up. So let that boil. A teaspoon with a splash of water. A teaspoon with a splash of water. Thanks, Sam. So now I'm going to add in the parsley. Right. Go on. Yes, give that a good stir. Yeah, a little bit more. Oh, that's it. That's all right. That's fine. So there's your parsley going in. So far you've got parsley, fish stock and boiling water, and that will be your liquor. So basically you let that simmer, you let that boil for probably around 20 minutes, half an hour, and then you add your corn flour, and you add the corn flour to thicken it up, to thicken the liquor up, and then obviously you turn the flame all the way down to number 1 and let it simmer away, let it boil up until you get it to the right thickness as you want it, of your desire. So that's how you make your liquor. Now the mash, obviously potatoes, boiled potatoes, mash them up, put a bit of salt in there, put a bit of pepper in there, and 4 pies. We have got mince pies.
Minced beef and onion pies.
Minced beef and onion. So you can see the liquor's bubbling away. Give it a little stir. Don't have the flame too high, so where it's cooking. Probably about number 3, depending on what oven you've got, what cooker you've got. So if phones had smell sense, then you'd get the smell of the liquor. It's absolutely amazing already. We've only just put it together. And here's our pies. These are minced beef and onion pies, and they go in the oven for around 20 minutes, and they'll get dished up with the pie mash and the liquor. So guys, it's a chef day for me today, and I actually love cooking. I don't really cook that much, but I learned how to cook from being in prison on that very long sentence. When you're doing a long prison sentence, basically there's kitchens and there's fridges on long term as wings, and you can cook your own food. So rather than eating the prison crap, I was on a thing called a food boat, and there was 4 of us. The other 3 were lifers. But yeah, that's Kenneth Noel was on my food boat, by the way. If you go back through my videos, you'll see the video on Kenny, because he was so tight that he wouldn't buy a bag of rice, and we were spending like £25–30 a week on meat, and he wouldn't buy a bag of rice. But that's another story altogether, guys. But yeah, that's where I learned how to cook in prison, and when I come out, you know, I actually put my practice into use and started cooking, and never looked back since. And I love cooking. I don't really get a lot of chance to cook because of the missus likes cooking, but yeah, she does let me have the odd day or two to get on with it, and today is that day, so I feel very blessed and I feel very happy. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy my content. I do try and bring different content every other day, and it's all about my life stories. I don't need to talk about anyone else because I've got enough of my own stuff going on in my world. But thank you to all the my new subscribers. Thank you to all the current ones that's been there with me from day one, and thanks for following my journey and giving me positive feedback. I'll upload. I'll do another video when we dish the Parmesan liquor up, just to show you actually what it's like, guys. So whatever you're doing, stay safe. Have a great day. Peace.